these boats have a swan-like head. I think most of them, all of them rather. They are swan-shaped boats. So we have this boating. The prices are written: 2-seater 250 and 4-seater 500. So for half an hour, get it for half an hour. And there's something known as cruise for 350 for 30 minutes. These are the pedal boats, you can see. So many of them. So you take the ticket and you come here. So you go down from here. These are the steps, and they've written selfie and photography on boats in lake is strictly prohibited for safety reasons. So these are the lifeguards. The jackets, lifeguard jackets.
Oh, hello.
So they are going down with their tickets. There's a ticket collector. And they're good to go. So they're there at the landing. You just ask them to pick one of each one has to pick up a jacket, life jacket. There they pick it up, and he helps. One shows him how to wear it, the other gets the hang of it. There's a boat which has just come in. They're going to alight. See, that's a pedal boat. So he's moored it. And step out. The boat, the oars, they've given their life jackets. These people are ready to get into the little pedal boat. Sat, there's another one. Little stumble there, sits. There they've thrown away their life jackets, the 4 of them. And this is a 2-seater pedal boat. And there they go. So there they are out there pedaling, enjoying themselves at twosome. And here another couple has just got out, getting out rather, taking off their life jackets. It's a real interesting sight, even if you sit here, like what these people are sitting and watching, the fun. Believe me, it's great fun watching them, watching the way some of them shriek and shout also, the laughter, especially if they're kids.